When it comes to your health, it is incredibly important to get a real assessment of the state of your health. The worst thing you can do is ignore it and put off taking care of yourself. This next segment is sponsored by Palm Health, and joining me this afternoon is Dr. Lauren Dalfara. She's a cardiologist and she's the CEO of Palm Health. Lauren, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely. And for those who don't know, tell us a little bit more about Palm Health and really the innovative approach that you guys take towards taking care of your body.
I'd be happy to. We developed Palm Health to address the rising rates of stress-related and lifestyle-related disorders. And so what I, as a St. Louis native and a preventive cardiologist practicing integrative and holistic care, I wanted to bring to St. Louis a place where people could access primary care, but with physicians who were trained in integrative and functional medicine. So that's really getting to the root cause of the underlying factors that contribute to disease. And then we wanted to give people a place where they could really engage in healthy lifestyle, healthy living on the daily. And so under one roof, we have a healthy cafe, also very delicious.
Nice.
A fitness center, a spa, and then over 25 wellness recovery services that help support people in performance optimization and recovery of mind and body. So we put all this together to really help people both achieve and sustain optimal well-being and optimize their healthy longevity.
Absolutely. And I heard a couple of buzzwords there. First of all, the facility is absolutely beautiful, but you are mentioning, optimizing that longevity, reducing that stress. What does that look like?
Oh, what is that? I have a perfect example for what does that look like. I was walking to Danforth Park with my friend, and these two ladies, well into their 80s, just passed us, clocking at least 4 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh, that's
with
amazing.
Incredible posture, bone-like strength, you could just really see their muscle mass was there, but vibrant, smiling. And my friend looked at me and she's like, that's going to be us in our 80s. And I was like,
I'm here for that.
Yeah, that's extending not just the length of your life, but the quality of your life.
Absolutely. Definitely adding those years, and good years, not years where we're sitting on the couch.
Yes.
We're actually walking, moving our body, pain-free. That's what that optimal longevity really looks like. I mean, how can we identify some of those hidden factors that might impact that longevity?
That is so important. And one of the biggest shifts that we've seen is in what causes and early death is so different now since the 1900s. So it used to be communicable infectious diseases, and now it's lifestyle and stress related. But our annual preventive exam hasn't caught up. And so what we really can be doing is partnering with an integrative and functional medicine doctor and doing a much deeper dive on that annual preventive and looking at risk factors for disease that get looked over in traditional healthcare often. So what does our inflammation look like? We know inflammation plays a huge role in plaque buildup, both in our carotid arteries for strokes and in our heart. And then also things like insulin resistance, which is related to so many different diseases. Our genetics, what are we predisposed to? Where are our hormones? As a woman, there's been so much confusion and fear around hormone replacement therapy. They previously thought it was linked to heart disease and cancer, and so it was stopped. But we know how critical it is, women, to address that in early menopause for bone mass and strength. And so really getting that deep dive preventive that goes through all those. And then how do we use oxygen? Are we getting oxygen and using it well when we exercise? Are we getting it at night when we sleep? So important for cognitive health. So starting with a preventive exam that goes beyond the traditional.
I like the way you think, and I like the approach that you guys have at Palm Health in St. Louis. If you're at home, you're watching, look no further than Palm Health. They'll absolutely take care of you, optimizing that longevity. You can actually visit them online at palmhealth.com. You can follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, and on X. They have an incredible team, truly helping you make the best choices when it comes to your health, and all their information will be on our website at studiowestl.tv.